In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly send a PayPal link for receiving payments. Whether you're running a small business, selling crafts online, or just need to settle a bill with friends or family, this guide will walk you through the simple process of generating and sharing your PayPal link. It's important to note that this convenience comes with a few steps that'll ensure your link is exactly how you need it. First things first, you'll need to visit the PayPal website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account with your username and password. Now, this step is crucial as you need access to your personal account settings to create or manage your payment link. Logging in not only gives you full access, but also ensures that you can keep track of your transactions and manage them effectively. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. Here you'll find the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Clicking on it will take you into a range of account settings. This area is where you can tweak and personalize how your PayPal behaves, so it's always a good place to explore even beyond today's task. With the settings page in front of you, look for an option labeled either as paypal.me or a direct link pointing towards it. This is the key feature that allows you to create your own personalized payment link. Selecting this option will lead you straight to where you need to be to manage your paypal.me link. If this is your first time setting it up, you'll be able to customize the link to ensure it reflects you or your business appropriately. Should you already have a paypal.me link and simply want to manage or modify it, you will see the Manage option right there. Clicking on this will give you the opportunity to edit your existing link, and this can be handy if you've changed your business name or just want a more appealing or memorable link title. The goal here is to have a link that makes sense for your needs and is easy to share with others. Once you're satisfied with the link or have made any necessary edits, it's ready to be shared. You can send it via email, text, or even post it on social media to easily direct people to your PayPal profile for making payments. Remember, this link is a direct line to your account, so it's crucial to ensure it doesn't fall into hands that shouldn't have it. It's all about combining ease of access with the right security precautions. That's it. You now have an active PayPal Me link ready to go. You can receive payments quickly by sharing the link, giving your friends, family, or customers a straightforward way to transfer funds directly to you. Keep this guide handy for future reference as it's a simple yet powerful tool in the digital payment world. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.